Hello everybody, welcome to Disney Supreme. It's nighttime, I'm on night drive. Just finished eating at Applebee's. Gonna head over to two arcades here, a 24-hour arcade and another arcade called Monster Time or something like that. And I forgot what the other one's called. Right here in front of Major Tom.
Baljeet's gift shop.
Should we go inside a gift shop? I don't know.
Restaurant though.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like a restaurant.
Oh.
Oh, the one you have to pay to get in.
Oh, okay.
Boston Lobster Fest or something.
I forgot. It looks like one.
Yeah.
Wow, that place is full. I don't know if I like it though.
No.
There's like vegetables.
Oh yeah. Cool thing about this place is open 24 hours. 24 hours. Sliders, like different colors, like Krabby Patties.
That's cool. Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm not. Am I? Oh yeah, I think I am. Well, that's easy. Shit. So that 40 credits. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna go for that one right there. Let that thing settle down.
Yeah.
That's what we call it.
That's a limp there. That's the worst.
How much was that?
Man, these toys suck. Yeah, Ninja Turtle.
Trying to get some. Look how big these are. Toys, kind of. Oh no. Jeez, I don't even see anything now. Second stuff. We'll go for that one. Right there.
That's cool. What's he saying?
It's like body. Oh. Got him. How big Look at all the pinball machines they have in here. You got Ghostbusters, Jurassic Park, Stranger Things, Jaws, John Wick, Black Knight, Iron Maiden, Star Wars, Mandalorian, Avengers, Looney Tunes. Yeah, this side you got King Kong, Godzilla, Spider-Man, Dungeons and Dragons, Toy Story 4, Metallica, Dialed In, The Hobbit, Guns N' Roses. This looks cool.
Okay, now we're going to do something really uplifting, inspirational.
The Godfather, Willy Wonka, Wizard of Oz. You got Elvira. Ninja Turtles, Game of Thrones, Halloween, Scooby-Doo, Monster Mash, Cactus Canyon, Medieval Madness, Funhouse, and X-Men. Pretty good collection of pinball machines. Hey, I'm gonna play a pinball game.
Alright.
Is that it?
No way. Yeah, 400 credits.
Oh, no.
Oh, there we go. Oh, it's the worst.
Oh, come on. Oh, this thing's vibrating. Oh, God, I need that. One more. Come on, we're only get 3 tries, right? Yeah, there we go.
Oh,
Come on! Oh yeah, I got another try. Oh, come on! Oh, another try. Okay. Oh, come on! One more try.
Come on, you had like 6 tries.
No. Oh, give me another one. Oh, come on! Oh, how many tries did I get here?
This is broken.
Is this gap bigger than the other one?
I think so. Oh.
I'm only watching Ghostbusters. Oh.
That's it. I don't know who this Denver team is either.
Oh, there's a pass. Yeah, pass it. Oh. Go for the Pikachu.
I know which one to get. It's this one over here because it's away from everything. Let me line it up.
Right there.
Boom.
Oh, no, that thing's weak.
Yeah, oh, this sucks.
That's gonna be one of them that's good.
Yeah.
Oh, he's right there.
Okay, I'll go Willy Wonka. Right there. Am I centered? Yeah.
Dang.
That's a weak.
That's so weak.
Whoa. Oh, I can only get something on this side.
Really?
Yeah, see, like, it doesn't.
Oh, okay. No, man. Man, these claw machines. I didn't see this game. That's Luca. Oh, get it, get it. Oh yeah, the Ramada.
Oh, I thought. And then there's also right.
All right, everybody, that's gonna do it for today. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.